Tacton CPQ helps you close complex deals flawlessly and fast. Your sales reps can configure highly customizable products to their customers' needs without involvement of sales engineering. With guided selling and real-time visualization, product options and selections are understandable also by non-technical sales reps and end customers. Tacton CPQ ensures that the technical solution is valid and buildable by the factory and is regulatory compliant based on the customer's market. Accurate customer net prices are calculated in real time to understand the commercial implications of each product option. Upsell effectively by adding accessories compatible with a configured product. Include multiple revenue types in the same deal, including one-time, subscription, and usage. Optimize your price point to win more deals, while still controlling your deal margin. Generate branded and accurate quotes and CAD files with a click of a button directly in the sales tool. When the deal closes, an order is created automatically from the quote, ensuring smooth and disruption-free downstream processes. With the seamless integration to Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics, your sales staff and resellers get the power of CPQ directly in the CRM. And if you're ready to really boost your sales, you can add your Tacton CPQ to your self-service e-commerce website. Visit Tacton.com to get started with a product configurator you can trust.